Microsoft, I'm sure in their R&D and the product manager, of the operating systems and the productivity teams, things like that, thought they were absolutely genius in the fact they're going to make AI systemic to everything. And it's going to be a helpful tool that's able to span these operating systems and productivity tools and make everybody's life better. And it's going to be an attractive feature that's going to lock people into the Microsoft ecosystem. And it backfired because they weren't thinking properly. They weren't thinking like humans. In order for humans to be productive with this technology, they need to choose it, and they need to trust it, and they need to understand it. And none of those steps were taken by Microsoft, just like everything else I think they've done many times in the last 35 years I've been working with them. They'll just push it at you and make you pay for it. And since it's part of an operating system, a part of productivity tools you absolutely depend on, you really feel like you have no choice. So trust became, part of the story, not just features. One of the conversations, shifts to, should I trust this on my operating system? It stops from being normal product debate. The trust angle intensified resistance and made just ignore it an unacceptable answer for some users. The core thing that I heard is that it was, as people were analyzing it, it was doing some things that felt that it violated the trust. There was some, taking screenshots and things like that. Not sure what apparatus was involved with that, but I did hear about that and did read about that. And people are very sensitive about that, private information. I'm very sensitive about it. Last thing I want to have happen, have any data or information transmitted outside of my own ecosystem, this computer in my network, that I didn't authorize. And if they're sending data to some sort of a back-end system, which I know many of these applications are doing, that's going to be concerning to me.